Guys, welcome back. On today's episode, we're gonna take that leftover ribeye and make delicious breakfast tacos. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, this one's very easy. What we're gonna do, I'm using the leftover steak from the last video. You can use any steak you want. If you have anything left over, that works perfect, or you can fry up a new steak specifically for this recipe. Either way, all you're gonna need for the sauce, 1 poblano pepper, 2 limes. I have a habanero, but if you wanna use a jalapeno, that's fine. Some cilantro, and then a little bit of mayonnaise. That's gonna be our sauce. And then for the meat of the taco, obviously we have our steak. I have an onion, half an onion that's sliced up, and then some cheese. To each his own though with this one. You can add more, you can add mushrooms, you can take it away and just do the steak. Up to you. To get started, I have a pan here on very low heat, and I just hawked off a hunk of that fat from the steak, and it's been rendering for the last 5 minutes on low. Look how crispy it's gone, and it's left us with all this beautiful fat in the pan, which I'm gonna use to fry up our onions. So I'll take that piece of fat out. If you don't have a big hunk of fat like that, no worries, you can just use butter or oil. I'm gonna go right in with our onions, and then we're gonna add our steak to this. But the steak's already cooked perfectly. We don't wanna overcook this. We have this beautiful medium rare steak right here. So what we really wanna do is saute these onions first, and add the steak in when the pan's still warm, just to warm them through, just to kind of toss them in the onions. And hit that with a little bit of salt. Let those start doing their thing. In the meantime, I'm gonna take our poblano pepper. This is gonna be for our sauce, and we're just gonna get this on the heat. So just turn the open flame on as high as it goes. Get your pepper, and we're just gonna char it. You wanna blacken it. You're gonna be like, oh, I'm burning it. No, that's the goal of this. Let that thing start ripping. Look at this, it's charring up. We want it even more char than that though. So as onions have softened up, I'm gonna really just turn the heat to the very lowest, just to add this steak in, and we're gonna toss it so it warms through. We do not want to cook it. See, even there, I don't like that sound. I'm gonna take it off the heat. There's enough residual heat in the pan to do what we need to this steak. Just want it to get warmed up. Kind of mix it in with those onions and that remaining fat. Tortillas, I just got little street tacos here. We're gonna get all those nice and toasted up. I keep them in the microwave because a microwave acts the same as a bread box. It holds all the air in, it keeps your bread a little bit fresher. There we go, look at that, look at that. Get some nice color on this guy here. Some beautiful color on this guy here, which is fucking hot. Look at that. All right, damn it. It's all right, that's good. What do I need? What am I going in here? Oh, glass bowl. Once our pepper has completely blackened, pop it in the bowl, and then we are gonna take some saran wrap. Got it, cover that bowl. You can see already it's starting to steam up in there. That's what we want. It's gonna start to sweat, and that's gonna make it easy because we're gonna peel all that extra charred skin off. We're gonna run that underwater. So this is gonna be set aside. We're gonna let this sweat for a little bit. Tortillas can also be wrapped just so they stay nice and warm. All right, for our eggs, I'm gonna throw that pan on a medium heat. Tablespoon of butter. I'll pour in my eggs. I've already beaten these up. Now, we can move on to the sauce. Just get a blender. A food processor works too, or your traditional blender. Any of those will be just fine. It's gonna start with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, half a bunch of cilantro, and then I have some habanero peppers right here. And I'm not sure how hot these guys are, so I'm gonna test it. This one's on a little bit more fruity side. This one is hot. Depends on how much heat you like. If you're using jalapenos, you can probably use a whole jalapeno in there, it'll be fine. I'm gonna go almost 2 habaneros. 1.5. And then our poblano. It's been sweating in here. Now we can just do the easy part. Take the saran wrap off, slice the top off, slice down so it splits open. And we're gonna come over to the sink. Now, I'm not sure if the cameras will be able to get this, but I'll try to stand back here. Just rinse off any of that charred skin on the outside. So what this is gonna do, you're still gonna get all that smoky flavor from the charring of it, but you're not gonna taste any of the bitterness. So that's looking good. You can rinse the seeds out too. All right, and then to this, we're just gonna add the juice of 1 lime. Do that a little bit of salt. Give it a little shake. Phenomenal. All right, that's come together. It's almost done. I'm gonna throw in some cheese. I just have some pepper jack cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like, or you can leave it out, up to you. And then I'm gonna fold in our steak and onions right here. Look at that. This is a nice egg to meat ratio. You're gonna get a hearty amount of steak in each bite. That's how I like it. And that, my friends, is done. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. All right, now it's just time to assemble. These are nice little mini, bite-sized tacos I have here. You can use whatever size you please though. Look at that cheese. Oh, let's come in with that sauce and just drizzle, just paints right on top. A little spicy, a little smoky, fresh cilantro. And that, my friends, is a breakfast steak taco. Come on, come on. I'm gonna hit this with just a little squeeze of lime. Let's give this a shot. I like this one right here. Cheers. Yep, delicious. That's how you use leftover steak, right here, breakfast tacos. That sauce too, you get that smokiness, you get a little bit of heat from the habanero. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. That's how you make a delicious steak and egg breakfast taco. I'll see you next time. I'm Donnie. Peace.